Hi, welcome back to the channel. Bad alignment makes your car drift since the weight distribution across your tires isn't even. This misalignment, often shown by an off-center steering wheel or vibrations, can be worsened by poor tire condition, improper pressure, and inadequate maintenance. You would even notice uneven wear on your tires or risk hydroplaning with a tread of 4/32 inch or less. It's crucial to regularly check your tires and alignment for better control. Keep on exploring to grasp how to curb this drift issue. Although you may not realize it, your car's alignment could be causing it to drift or pull to one side. That alignment often results from uneven weight distribution, causing unequal friction on your tires. You might notice an off-center steering wheel, an obvious sign of misalignment. Vibrations, especially at high speeds, are another symptom. Tire wear can be the most telling. Look for uneven wear on the edges. While you mightn't immediately consider it, the condition of your tires has a profound effect on your vehicle's alignment. Uneven wear and poor tire condition can worsen alignment problems, leading to drifting. Low tire pressure causes uneven wear, pulling your car towards the side with the lower pressure, which contributes to misalignment. Tires worn down to a mere 4/32 inch tread increase the risk of hydroplaning, impacting steering components, and creating a sensation of drifting. Regular checks of tire condition and pressure are essential, as improper inflation can shift vehicle weight and lead to misalignment over time. To maintain ideal vehicle stability, you must adhere to a few key recommendations for tire alignment maintenance. Regularly check tire alignment to avoid uneven wear and drifting. Following proper alignment specifications, especially monitoring caster and camber settings, can greatly improve handling. Tire rotation should be performed consistently to maintain peak traction. Don't overlook the importance of regularly balancing tires, as this guarantees even performance, aiding in vehicle stability. These steps not only help in maintaining control of your vehicle, but additionally prolong the lifespan of your tires. Having touched on the importance of tire alignment for vehicle stability, it's worth noting that tire pressure plays a similarly significant role in preventing car drift. Low tire pressure can cause uneven road contact, pulling your vehicle sideways. Maintaining around 36 psi for peak tire performance and drift prevention is essential. Uneven pressure worsens alignment issues by affecting weight distribution and forces acting on your tires. Tires worn to 4/32 inch tread or less become prone to hydroplaning and handling issues, increasing drift chances, especially in wet conditions. As soon as your car's wheels fall out of alignment, a domino effect of stress on various suspension components begins. Misaligned wheels create lateral forces that strain tie rods and control arms, leading to premature wear. This incorrect alignment also stresses ball joints and wheel bearings, reducing their lifespan and smooth operation. Even your shock absorbers and struts work harder, impacting their ability to dampen vibrations and absorb impacts. This neglect affects not just tire wear and handling, but safety, reducing responsive steering, and increasing the chances of your car's drift. When your car's power assist system, either hydraulic or electric, malfunctions, it can lead to uneven steering response and contribute to vehicle drift. If your power assist doesn't return the wheel to the center, it may cause memory steer, making your car drift. Irregular hydraulic pressure in a faulty system creates inconsistent steering feel, causing your vehicle to pull to one side. Binding ball joints can worsen these problems by hindering free movement, leading to further drift. Regularly inspecting power assist components like strut bearings and tie rods helps maintain steering alignment, reducing drift owing to imbalances. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.